I had the privilege of planning a great bridal shower for my best girl last December, and I'd like to help you plan something nice and different from the norm. Before I proceed with this video, I'd like to give a huge shout out and thank you to the girls that made this video a possibility. I'm talking of Oge, Blessing, Doyin, Dami, Fumi, Tomi, and Hayomide. You guys are the reason behind this video, and I just want to say thank you. Hello, my name is Emmanuella, and you're welcome to my channel, Youngnaijamum. On here, I talk about my faith, my family, and my lifestyle as a young married lady living in Lagos, Nigeria. If you are new here, please click the red subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you know the next time I put up a video. As you can see from the title, today I'll be telling you how you can plan a bridal shower that is beyond snapping cheesy pictures with the bride-to-be and still end up with a fun night. So your bestie is getting married and you don't know where to start from. Just take a deep breath. In, out. And set a goal to have fun. The place you need to start from is the budget. Budget. You need to know the number of people that will be present for the bridal shower. Is it a minish party or a full-blown event? Are you inviting a few of the bride's friends, perhaps just the bridal train, or the full clan of lady invites? Whatever the case, you need to know the numbers. You need to know the numbers. As it is with the numbers, you plan how much each individual will contribute towards the success of the bridal shower. Be sure not to invite the bride's worst enemy, or so she will be uncomfortable being around. You need to keep contact with your invite list. I'll suggest creating a WhatsApp group so you don't have to disseminate the same information several times. You can get someone close to the bride to sniff out the friends list that she will be inviting for the wedding, or the bridal train that you want to have as part of the bridal shower. If that is not a possibility, you can ask the bride directly with finesse. Inform invitees before adding them to the WhatsApp group, just to be courteous. Set an agenda for the group. Familiarize yourselves with each other by doing introductions. Set out to discuss the following: outfit for the bride, outfit for the invitees, gift for the bride-to-be, games, food, snacks and drinks, decorations, venue, and an amount to be contributed. First things first, you need to set a theme, and you can set your theme around the outfit of the bride. You can go for colors that the bride likes, perhaps one of her favorites. Get someone close to her, perhaps her sister, to get her exact measurements. You can get ready-made clothes made for the bride, or you go all out by sewing a custom dress, whatever rocks your boat. Secondly, you need to determine the outfit for the invitees. It should also be around a set theme and should be deliberated by every member or every participant of the bridal shower, so that no one will be left behind. Pick a particular outfits to wear. You can go beyond the regular white tees and jeans that is common in the Nigeria space for bridal showers. Suggested tips or suggested outfits that you could have for your bridal shower include: you can have an all white look, you can have an all pink look, you can have an Ankara look, you can have a monochrome look, bathrobe theme, pajama party, or a rainbow theme, or you pick a favorite color, or you pick another favorite color of the bride. Thirdly, games. There are several games to be had. You should plan for at least 2 games during the bridal shower. This will serve to spice up the event. Examples include stacked cups, balloons and cups, guess the dress, treasured moments, song association, etc. You can even do more research on games to play. There are so many games you can play. If you need more information on any of these games, reach out to me personally, and perhaps I'll just do another video describing the games in full. Food. You have to plan the meal ahead of time. For the number of people that will be present, the bride inclusive, you should also have an extra 5% plate for people that will be, that might show up uninvited, or people that, you might have to give something to on the set day. Throw in some snacks and drinks and even wine. If you'll be having a caterer that will, cater for the event, get paper plates and cups ahead of time, so you don't have to go scrap before plates to eat. Venue. Decide on the venue. Decide on the venue your budget can accommodate. You can have a rented space for a big party, or you have a small hotel room for your get-together. Decorations. Plan your decorations. Are you getting an event planner or an interior decorator to design the venue for you? Or are you going the DIY way? If you are going the DIY way, you need to put into account your balloons, your ribbons, and your banners, or whatever streaks you'll be attaching to announce the fact that it's a bridal shower. So you need to do this all, you need to put this all into account so that you don't get to leave anything out. Gift for the bride. Deliberate amongst yourselves and determine the perfect gift that you will all be presenting to the bride. I know some groups of people also make it individual, such that everyone brings individual gifts for the bride. If you be coming today, if you do that, you can suggest a list of gifts for your people, because some people might not have any idea whatsoever as to what to buy. You can get home utensils, you can get lingerie, you can get books, depending on whatever you want to do. And if you'll be coming together to get a combined gift, put into consideration the fact that you're already spending for the event, for planning the event. So get something minimalistic and still valuable that will be appreciated by the bride. Contributions. Add the total cost of every single thing that has been stated initially and divide equally by the number of participants. As the chief bridesmaid or the maid of honor, you will have to contribute even beyond that which you have deliberated upon. But at least try as much as possible to get every participant to contribute towards the success of the bridal shower. Delegate some tasks so that it is not all on your neck. You can get someone to deliberate on the games that will be played. You can get someone to handle the venue decoration, get another person to handle the food preparation or procurement, however you're doing it. Just delegate the task so that it's not just be the maid of honor that will be fully involved in the planning and organization of the bridal shower. You can get a checklist to work with, and remember to take pictures. You can get plan for a makeup artist if you be needing one. If you like to have the bride made up, plan to get a makeup artist ahead of time. Finally, you need to draw a program of events for the D-Day. On the screen, I'll be putting up a suggested program of events, that which I use for my friends' bridal shower, and you are free to follow after this program of events or tweak it to that which will suit you more perfectly. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Share the information with someone that will be needing it, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.